Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabahat Harim. My experiment is about isolation of milk protein casein. But firstly, I would like to tell you about the introduction of milk protein casein. So first we have proteins definition. Proteins consist of long chains of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. Explanation. Proteins are of great importance in various biological processes. Proteins process amino acids as building blocks. 20 different amino acids are found in proteins which combine together to form long chains. They break down into amino acids during digestion of milk, egg, etc. to perform different metabolic activities. They occur naturally in hair, nails, muscles, etc. In animal cells, protein exists more than 50% of their dry weight. Next we have type of proteins. Proteins are classified into various types, but on the basis of composition, there are two types: simple proteins and conjugated proteins. Simple proteins, they only consist of only amino acids. They include albumins, globulins, histones, scleroproteins, etc. Examples: egg, albumin, keratin, collagen, etc. Conjugated proteins, they only consist of amino acids along with non-protein part prosthetic group, also called complex proteins. They include phosphoproteins, glycoproteins, lipoproteins, nucleoproteins, hemoproteins, etc. Example: casein in milk, mucin, hemoglobin, etc. Now we have what is milk. Milk is a opaque white fluid full of nutrients, especially protein and fats. It is produced naturally by female mammals like cow and provides primary sources of nourishment to their young ones. Composition: milk contains 87% water, about 13% total solids, 4.8% lactose, 4% fats, 3.4% proteins, and 0.8% other minerals by mean percentage. Casein and whey are the major proteins in milk in percentage of 80% and 20% in bovine milk respectively. Now we have types of milk. There are many types of milk which include cow milk, almond milk, soy milk, hemp milk, coconut milk, goat milk, and on the basis of nutrients include whole milk, toned milk, and skimmed milk, etc. Benefits of milk. Milk is rich in calcium, which helps to strengthen the bones as well as teeth and prevents them from osteoporosis and arthritis. It also contains vitamin D, which contribute a role in serotonin production. It possesses all nutrients which are required by your body. Milk has anti-aging nutrients such as retinol, which prevent the skin from the aging. It also protects your heart from disease and maintains blood pressure. The proteins present in milk allow the growth and boost the immune system. Now we have the milk protein casein. Casein is a mixture of phosphoconjugated protein. In 100 ml milk, casein is found as 3.5 gram. The opaque white color of milk is due to casein. It is isoelectric at pH 4.8. It's insoluble in water. In bovine milk, casein concentration is around 80%. About 3% casein is present in cow's milk. Casein contains essential, non-essential, and semi-essential amino acids such as lysine, glutamic acid, tyrosine respectively, and many others. Sources: it is found in milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, and other dairy products. Casein micelles. In milk, casein forms colloidal complexes called casein micelles. Casein micelles contain subunits which are linked together by calcium phosphate. They are porous and spherical in shape. They are hydrophobic casein fractions and components. They consist of casein fraction which include alpha S1 casein and alpha S2 casein, beta casein and kappa casein. Alpha S1 casein, alpha S2 casein, and beta casein are sensitive to calcium, precipitated by low levels of calcium. Kappa casein is insensitive to calcium, resistant to calcium precipitation. Isolation method of casein. To isolate separate casein from milk, acetate buffer is added to adjust the pH.